start the class. Today we are going to continue with the chapter subtraction. Okay. Last class, before the unit test, the two topics that we have covered are subtraction with 2-digit and 3-digit number. Okay. 2-digit were ones and tens, and the 3-digit are ones, tens and 100. Okay. There was also regrouping. In subtraction, for regrouping, we do borrow. Okay. If the number is smaller, then what we do? We borrow a number. Okay, from the tens place. Alright. So these are the topics that was also covered for the syllabus in the unit test. Now the next topic is the properties of subtraction. In addition also you got properties. Okay. So in subtraction also you are getting properties. In addition you got 3 properties. Same in the subtraction you got 3 properties. So let us see what are the properties. Okay. The first is the zero property. Okay. So what is the zero property here? When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay. So if you subtract 0 from any number, we get the same answer. Just like addition. If we add 0 with any number, we are getting the same answer. Okay. So I'll take one example here. Suppose 15. Okay. And you subtract 0 from 15. Now here the bigger number is 15 and 0 is the smaller number. What is the answer? We are getting the same answer, because 0, though 0 is a number, but it has got no value, nothing. Okay. Remember always 0 is a number, but it has got no value. Then the next property is before numbers property. Alright. What is before numbers property? When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before it. Just like addition. In addition you got after numbers property. That means if you add with with any number 1, we are getting the numbers just after it. Same here, if we subtract 1 from any number, we are getting the number that is just before it. The same example I am taking here. Okay. Example 15. Now with 15, I have to subtract 1. Okay, I subtract 1. So if we subtract 15 minus 1, we are getting 14. Okay. Now what we want, according to the definition, the number before 15 is 14. Yes or no? The number before 15 is 14. So if we subtract 1 from any number, we are getting the number that is just before the number given here. If you have doubt, you can make a place value chart and you can find out 15 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. There is no number here, so 1 will come down. You can also find out like that. This is known as before numbers property. Now, from the two definition, we got 2 new words today. The first is difference. Okay? When you are writing the definition, you can underline the difficult or the new words. Difference. Difference means also subtraction. Okay. What is the difference between any 2 numbers? That means you have to subtract. What is the difference between 10 and 5? That means you have to subtract the numbers. That is 10 minus 5. The bigger number will go up and the smaller number will come below. The next new word you learn today is properties. Okay. So properties are set of rules which you have to follow it, whether it is subtraction or whether it is addition. Okay. The spelling of properties is P-R-O-P-E-R-T-I-E-S. Properties. And the spelling of difference is D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. Okay. The third property is the subtracting a number from itself. Okay. So let me read it out. When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. That means when we subtract a number, the same number we are taking and we have to subtract it, the answer is 0. So for example, I am taking the number 20. Okay. So now I have to subtract 20 from 20. I have to take the same number. The answer will be, what is the answer? The answer is 0. We can find out also. I am going to take the place value chart. Okay. Ones, tens, 20. The sign for subtraction is the minus sign. 20 20 minus 20. So 0 minus 0 we are getting 0. 2 minus 2 0. Okay. So the answer is 0. So when we subtract the same numbers we take and we have to find out the difference, the answer is 0. Okay. The one thing is that when we add the same number, for addition I am speaking, when we add the same number, the answer becomes twice. Suppose the same number I am taking here, tens and ones. I have to add the number. Okay. So what I get? 40. Now 40 is twice of 20. So for subtraction it becomes 0 and for addition it becomes twice the number. It becomes double. Okay. So that is the difference between addition and subtraction. The sign for subtraction is the minus sign. Okay children? I am going to take 3 questions from page number 53, Train My Brain. Okay. The first question I have written here, subtract 0 from 12. Now we have to subtract 0 from 12. When the word 12 from is given, that is 12 will go up and 0 will come down. Okay. Now I will make the place value chart. I will make the place value chart. Ones and tens. What is the bigger number? 12 minus 0. Okay, now we have to subtract 12 minus 0. Now in the ones place, what is the bigger number? What is the above number here? 2. So we have to subtract 0. We already know that if it is 0, the number will come down. Okay, and in the ones place there is no number, so 1 will come down. The answer is 12. Okay. The next question is, find the difference between 50 and 1. Difference we already know, that means it is subtraction. Again we are going to make the place value chart. Ones and tens. What is the number above? 50 and 1. Put the subtraction sign. Now here 0. Sorry, there is regrouping here. I place one column, one row here. Okay. Now here 0 is a smaller number. So what it will do? It will borrow from 5. That means there is regrouping. So when it will borrow from 5, it will become 10. Okay. And this will become 4. So 10 minus 1, 9. And here the new number we got is 4. So the answer is 49. When you get this type of questions, that means these are related to the properties of subtraction. The first question you got, subtraction, subtract 0 from 12. That is 0 property. We are subtracting a number with 0. What is the property? That is 0 property. Here, find the difference between 50 and 1. That is before numbers property. So when we subtract 1 from 50, we are getting 49. So 49 is the number before 50. Okay, so we can relate like this type of questions with the properties of subtraction. Third question is, what is the difference when a number is subtracted from itself? Okay, so this we can relate with the property subtracting a number from itself. Okay, so we know the answer that if you subtract a number with the same number, the answer is 0. Okay, so you can take any example. No need to write here any example. You can write only 0 in this question, or you can write a spelling 0 also, Z-E-R-O. Okay, and you can take any example here. Suppose I am taking the number 35. 35 minus 35. Okay, make the place value chart. Ones and tens. 35. The sign for subtraction is minus and 35. So 5 minus 5 0. 3 minus 3 0. So when we subtract a number from itself, we are getting the same answer. All these 3 questions are related with the properties of subtraction. Okay children, so before winding up the class, I am going to take a short recap. That is, what are the things we have learned? We have learned about properties of subtraction. There are 3 properties. First is the 0 property. Any number you subtract with 0, we are getting the same answer. Second is before numbers property. When we subtract 1 from any number, we are getting the number that is just before it. And the third property is subtracting a number from itself. So when we subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. Okay. And the new words we learned today are difference. So difference is also the word difference is used instead of subtraction. You can find this word particularly in the word problem. And another new word is properties. Okay, so properties are the set of rules for which the subtraction follows. There are different kinds of properties in mathematics. You got in addition and subtraction till now. When you go to higher classes, you will get many more properties related to the topics. Okay children, so this is the class for today. You can go through them, and with this I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day.